Okay, so today we are looking at the S560 Maybach. So this is it's a 4-liter twin turbo V8 engine. Also we have the S650 Maybach, which is a V12 6-liter V12. So today we'll be looking at this car. So we can start with the right hand side panel. So here we've got all the switches for the windows. We've got the adjustments for the outside rear view mirrors out here, and we've got the unlock and the lock button. We also have a 12-way adjustable seat out here, and we've got the memory function for the seats as well. We've also got heated seats, and we've got the switch which is a chauffeur package in which we can control the co-passenger seat as well. So now if we go to see, so if we see on this side, we've got a switch which is for the night view assist. So when we click this, you can see there's a screen that pops up on the center display which shows you a very clear image of the street at night. So in case you cannot see the street clearly, you always can click this button and have a image on your center driving screen. So if you see, we've also got two more buttons here. So this is for the active lane keeping assist, and this is for the steering assist, so active steering. So these two buttons are for the Distronic that this car has, which is a semi-autonomous self-drive. So once we click these two buttons, we can see the lane keeping assist comes on and the active steering assist comes on. So this is active once the car is in the cruise control mode. So you can keep these two switches on and the car will keep cruising behind the car in the front. So it will increase and decrease speed automatically and also change minor lanes behind the car in the front. Also we can see that we've got a headlight switch here. So it's on the center, which is auto. We've got all the headlights on the right, and we've got the daytime running lights on the left. Other than this, we've also got the rear fog light switch here, and the handbrake is there here, and the engine start stop button is right here. So here we can see this is the steering wheel. On the steering wheel, we've got the cruise control right here. We've got the change from the cruise control to the limiter, and we've got a touchpad for the center screen. So we can see we can change the display of the center screen, and all the other information is available on the center screen. Also on the left side, we've got another panel that is to control the instrument cluster right here. So the navigation, the radio, media, everything can be controlled via this screen. Also the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto will also come up on this screen, which can be controlled from here. We've also got the volume up down and the answer and cut switches for all the calls. So we've got the entire air conditioning panel right here. So this is the button for auto. This is the button for AC on off. Here we've got the button for both the sides for the airflow and for the temperatures. So this is a 4-zone climate control. So for each of the seats there's a different zone in this car. This is for your rear defogger and this is for the front defogger. We've also got the menu switch here. So the Maybach comes with a air freshener, which is a built-in air freshener. So you can set the air freshener settings on the screen. As you can see, we can set it on high, medium, low or off. So currently the perfume bottle is not installed, but once it's installed, you'll get the entire display. Also the air distribution, the sinks in the sense that you can sync the entire car's temperature to one temperature instead of having 4 separate zones. So that can also be done from the center settings for the air conditioning. Other than that, we've also got, if you see, we've got the Maybach written right here, and we've got 2 cup holders, and we've got a charging outlet right here. Other than this, we've also got the wireless charger right here, along with 2 charging ports and a port for the Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. And this can be opened from both the sides, this panel. So if you see, it's openable from both the sides. We've also got a touchpad right here. So this touchpad helps in using the center screen, similar to what the control stick does. So we can just control the touchpad right from here. So other than this, we've got a eco start stop button right here, in which the car cuts off once it comes to a halt. We've got the dynamic select switch, in which you've got your driving modes. So you've got 4 driving modes in this car, which is eco, comfort, sport and individual. So we can see here it's changing the driving modes. Also, we've got the button to raise the height of the car. So since this is a Maybach, it's low to the ground, so we can increase or decrease the height of the car by pressing this button. So we see the red light has come on, which indicates that the height of the car is rising. Also, here on the panel we can see we've got the button for the to switch off the proximity sensors. The car's got 360-degree proximity sensors, so we can switch on and switch off the proximity sensors from here. And this is the button to switch on and off the entire instrument panel. We've also got the volume, another extra volume up down button right here, and we've got the parking lights right here. And also there's an additional button here that we can see. So what this does is, in case when we are backing up, even though the car has a 360-degree camera, if there are 5 people sitting and the center headrest is up, if we click this on the click of one button, the center headrest can go down. So this is a very convenient feature and is really helpful. So this car has got a 26 speaker Burmester sound system, and also the tweeters on all the sides of the car, as we can see. The tweeters roll in and out when we switch off and switch off the system. So now, as you can see, I'm switching off the music system, so the tweeters will roll in, and once I switch on the system, they'll roll out again. And also they are illuminated with the ambient lighting. The car has got a 64 color ambient light, so the tweeters also have the ambient lighting in the rear, and we can see the full car is illuminated with the ambient light. So here, as you can see, we've got the buttons for the Mercedes Me and the SOS. So this car has got the latest Mercedes Me app, in which you can lock the car, track the car sitting from anywhere in the world. We've also got the buttons for the interior cabin lights on the reading lights on both the sides. And here we've got the button for the sunroof and the blinds. This car also comes with a Magic Sky control, in the case which, if you can see, the sunroof is opaque now. So on the click of one button, I can make it go absolutely bright like a normal sunroof. Another time I click it, it becomes opaque. So this is really helpful, as it helps in keeping the cabin cool and light at all the times. So now we can see this is the chauffeur package that we will be illuminating. So in terms of the chauffeur package, we can see the rear, the seat is upright, the front seat is right at the back. So we'll be pressing one button which will make the entire front seat collapse in the front, and will recline the seat absolutely behind. So it will be like a complete sleeping position. So you can just see, we can just keep that one button pressed. So we can see the seat is going absolutely in the front. The leg rest is popped out. The leg support is coming out. The seat is absolutely reclined at the back with the soft cushioning. And you can see it's a complete comfortable sleeping position. So that's the reason Maybach is one of the most comfortable cars in its class. So as you can see, we've got a 12-way adjustable seat at the rear also for the rear passengers. The seat can completely be adjusted. We've also got heated as well as cooled seats for the rear, along with 3 memory functions. And as I have shown in the front, the rear tweeters also roll in, and they are also illuminated with the 64 color ambient lighting. We've also got 4 switches here. The 2 are for the windows, both the side windows to roll down, along with the blinds. And the other 2 switches, one switch is for the sunroof, and one switch is for the rear panel to go down. So we can see the rear panel can also be put down from the button here as well. So as we can see, we've got the remote. We've got 2 remote controls right here. So one remote will be operating. So if you can see, we can shift the command here. So we've got a command which is to use the center screen from behind. So we can use the center screen from here. As you all can see, we can use the center screen from behind. Also from the command, we can shift to left rear or right rear. So now we are on right rear. So I just click on, and we can switch on the screen, and you can see how beautifully Maybach comes illuminated at the rear. So we have the 6 type of massaging seats, so we can control it from here. So we can switch on any type of massaging that we want, and this is for both the rear seats. The massaging can be put on and off. We've also got, if we click the home, we've got many more features like the energizing comfort, the ambient lighting, the display. Everything can be changed from the rear as well. And we've also got media. So in media, what we can do is, with the help of a Fire Stick, what we can stream is your Netflix, Amazon Prime, anything can be screened on the rear, both the rear screens of the car. So both the rear screens are compatible. We've got a HDMI port that I'll be showing you right now. So if we see here, we've got a HDMI port, and we've also got USB. So via a pen drive or via Amazon Fire Stick or a Chromecast, we can chrome this rear screens and watch any kind of show that we require. Also the rear armrest also has got your wireless charger, which is an additional wireless charger. You've got one in the front and one in the rear. So here what we've got is extra panel storage, so you can store more things right here. So this car also comes with a separate headphones for both the rear screens. So in case you are watching a particular movie or something, you do not need to keep it on the car speakers, so it does not disturb the driver. You can just keep it on the separate individual headphones, so it's safer. There's no distraction for the driver, and you can also enjoy the video quality. So we can see that we've got a multi-beam LED headlights right here, which is got 84 individual LEDs. So this has got a throw of 650 meters. We've also got 19-inch alloy wheels on the car, so which looks really good and gives you a really comfortable ride along with the air suspension. And we've also got the Maybach written right here. We've got the Maybach written right here. And as we spoke about the night view assist, so this thing opens up and we've got a camera that will help you. Will give you the entire illuminated road at night. So this will help you in giving the night view. So we can see there's an automatic tailgate. So we can just click open, and we've got the spare wheel inside. We've got these extra cushions for your thigh support. So you've got some extra cushioning for your thigh support. We've also got the headphones that I spoke about in the car. So you've got two individual headphones, and we've also got the perfume, the Maybach perfume that I said the car will, through the air conditioning, it automatically throws the perfume inside the car. So we've got all this, and we've also got an automatic closing tailgate.